In today's video, I plan to show how to create a function in Python that will obtain the OpenShift authentication token. We will first create our new file. We will call this one OpenShift-API.py. First, let's import requests. We will create a function called getToken. Next, we will define our cluster URL variable. This will be your OpenShift cluster and would be the URL for authentication. You will then need your username and password. For simplicity's sake, I am just going to define them here. Now we can set up our response variable. This here so far gives you the cluster URL. Then you would continue with the path, which is OAuth/authorize client ID equals OpenShift challenging client response. Type equals token. Continuing on the next line, we want our authentication to be our username and password. We will set the timeout to 15 and allow redirects to be true. Next, we will assign our token variable. Now let's double check it all. Response was spelt wrong, so let's fix that. Then we return token. Now we have a function that will authenticate with the OpenShift cluster and assign the token to the token variable. At this point, you can assign it to a variable such as this. You can use this function to authenticate with OpenShift. For example, with mine, I use it in a chatbot that will authenticate and query the OpenShift cluster and return a list of all applications within a project. I hope you have found this helpful and stay tuned for future demos. Have a great day. Bye.